Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here in the general section, simply tap on phone ringtone. As you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose, so we can either pick the ringtone and we will be transferred to the pre-installed ones, and we've got local music, so if you've got your own, for example, downloaded, you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick this first option, and as you can see, we've got this pop-out window with all pre-installed ringtones. At the top of this list, we've got the option silent, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of sound, any kind of ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. And basically, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example. Alright, and let me volume it down a little bit. So basically this is how it works. Just tap on the option and you can listen how it sounds. And if you decide that we want to apply this option, so for example this one, mark it and tap on OK. And basically from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.